Hi, students. Sorry I'm not there with you today. Um, I am at a conference, and a lot of you knew I was going to be gone, and you also know how important it is to me that you're kind to the guest teacher. I'm so thankful that Mr. Roy is there with you today. So I'm expecting that you show your thankfulness and your kindness and treat him as you would expect to be treated, and also like a guest in our classroom. You guys are doing something different than I thought. I was going to leave you the projects, but when I looked over the projects, I decided they were maybe a little too difficult and could lead to some frustration and maybe some acting out of frustration in a way that could be hard for you and for Mr. Roy as a guest in the classroom. So instead of leaving the projects, I'm going to have you guys watch the Bill Nye on atoms. The reason I'm doing that is because I think the frustration came from you not having a strong background knowledge in what an atom is, and that's absolutely required to be able to do that packet that I gave you. So while you're watching Bill Nye, make sure you pay attention to what is the periodic table, how is it organized, what is an atom, what are the parts of an atom, and how are atoms shown on the periodic table. Pay really close attention to all that information, and we'll pick up with our projects tomorrow, hopefully with a little bit more knowledge and the ability to be a little bit more successful. Have a wonderful day. Sorry I'm not there. Remember, be kind, be kind, be kind, and be thankful that we have a guest in our classroom. I expect to hear how wonderful you are when I get back. Have a great day.